calorie, high protein, low carb diet. But let's have food. Okay. No sweets, no sugary drink.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my realistic summer morning routine. This is actually what I do during the summertime. So I haven't done a morning routine or any type of routine in so long, so I am so excited to be filming this for you guys. Right now it is currently 10 o'clock and I'm probably just gonna get up. I don't really get up right away. I usually get my computer and I watch like a Netflix show or something. But I think right now I'm just going to go downstairs and make some breakfast, like brush my teeth, make some breakfast. You guys can just see the process of me like getting ready and all of that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get this day started.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a better day despite the challenge.
Okay, so I'm about to make some breakfast right now. I don't even know what to make. Like, I think I just might make some turkey bacon and like a piece of toast. There's not a lot of breakfast foods in the house right now, so like I'm kind of struggling, but like it's okay. Like we'll be fine. We'll get through it. I'm just gonna cook breakfast and then I'll show you guys what I made. So I'm actually making some fried plantains. So that's gonna be exciting. I just am making some toast. I haven't turned it on yet because I like when the toast is like really hot, so I'm gonna wait until all my food is cooked. And then I just have some turkey bacon going in the oven. So that is my breakfast. Alright, so I have my toast, my turkey bacon, and then I have some fried plantains. And right now I'm just watching My 600 Pound Life because I think it's just so interesting. So yeah, and then I'm just gonna drink this bottle of water. Yeah, I'm so excited to eat, so yeah, let's go.
Michelle, so you both are making excuses for this.
Okay.
But if you think you're not using proper judgment eating, then let's
Yeah. Oh, there they go. Hey.
Yes, please do not mind my hair. It is in these little braids, but I'm currently doing the braid outs. So my hair actually looked like crap when I did those braids, so I ended up putting it in a bun because I actually filmed this today, so don't mind that. It was not a braid out. So I'm just going to finish up the vlog on my phone because my camera died. Like, what the heck? So I'm just gonna pick out an outfit right now. You guys can come with me and see what I'm feeling today, you know? Please do not mind my clothes. It's kind of messy, but I don't know what to wear. Like, I'm feeling like wearing this little cropped shirt, polo shirt that my mom actually gave me, or like a little tee with some sweatpants because I'm not really going anywhere, so I literally could just wear whatever. But just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna wear sweatpants because I love sweatpants, but I think I'll just wear like a nice top or something. I'm gonna go to my drawer and I think I might just wear these black sweatpants with it because what else do I wear? So I'm just gonna get changed now and then I'm probably just gonna leave my hair like this and like of course brushing it in a little bit more because I look a little crazy right now. Like a little crazy. I think I'm literally just gonna put on lashes and lip gloss. I love how that looks. Because my skin looks pretty good right now and I don't want to like put makeup on it because I don't really have to right now. So yeah. So this is the outfit that I chose. My top is from Brandy Melville and my sweatpants are from Walmart. So I'm a real fashionista today, guys. I'm killing it. Like.
Sunny day, hey. Even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah.
So I fixed my hair situation. I just did a little bun, slick bun, you know. If you guys are wondering, I use the passion fruit curl control paste to lay my edges down. I think I'm honestly just gonna put on some lashes. I don't know what lashes to put on, but we'll figure it out. I'm gonna put these on because I really like how they look. They're really natural. So I'm just gonna do my lashes and put on some lip gloss, and I'll show you guys the final result. So I think I'm just going to end the summer morning routine here. This is my final look. I have the lashes on, I have a little bit of lip gloss, my hoops, and I'm all set and I'm ready for the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button to be notified when I post new videos. I really want to get back into doing like routines or like what I eat in a days and stuff like that. Just more lifestyle videos. So if you have any video requests or if you want to see anything from me, make sure to leave a comment down below letting me know, because sometimes I really don't know what to film. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.